guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Loah and together is Loah. And today we're going to go on a nature walk. So let's get walking. We're going to look for cool stuff today. Anything cool. Tortoise swirl. There's tons of animals here. Do you see that swirl? So where are we gonna go next? Okay, where is it? There's this tiny tree here. Look at that. What trail should we go down? Look. School trail or Rockingham Loop? I'm gonna go down here. So look, the pond. It's really dirty. Ew. Look how much dirt that has. Look. It's in there. There's a scary monster in there. Okay, let's not look in there. Something in the bushes. What is there in the bushes? A squirrel. What? Where's the swirl at? Oh, there's the swirl. You see it? Oh, I see it. See it? Tell me in the comments down below if you can see the swirl. Comment down below. So I'll see you guys in a few minutes when we find something cool. I'm back. Look at this. There's a big hole in the tree.
What's this up here?
What's it? I'm gonna walk down the nature walk. It's a really sunny day out today. I'm probably going to go in a pool. If you want to see the pool video, go on my playlist and there will be a pool video. We have a surprise for you. So go check out that video that we're playing in the pool. Because today it's really hot out. So sunny. You guys, we're going to play on the playground right now. Here's the playground. You guys want to sit around? Okay, I need to be really careful. There's a big spider web. I'm climbing up. Climb up the big web. It's hard because I'm holding a camera, so I need to go up carefully. I can't make it to the top right now, so we're just gonna go play on something else when I get down. Okay, so we're in a different spot right now. We were on the spider web right there. Now we're going to go up on the playground. Here's my button. I've been to this playground a couple times. Let's walk. Okay, so since you guys this, I'll be right back in a few seconds. Peace out. So we're back and we're at a school bus. So let's drive. Okay, so I'll sit down. It's so hot. So whoever is editing this, make me look really funny. So, where do you want to go next? Comment down below. Now we're just going to go walk again. Okay. Going down a big hill. Guys, see any animals? See any birds or squirrels up there? Oh, there's a butterfly somewhere. Bye. Run, 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 run. Let me see you run. Ah! Okay. Round. Let's go down a different trail. Here's a squirrel. You see the squirrel? It's a pond. It's really dirty like the other one that we saw. So look guys, there's a little pond right there. It's muddy. It's a muddy pond. Let's look, the big log. Let's try standing on it. Look. Walking on a log. Look at that log. It's a big log right there. Long. Look at that big tree. So big. Big tree. There's a squirrel up there. Look how big that tree is. Okay. I am now. Look guys, there's a big log. We go down.